I think I'm gonna, I don't know which direction I need to go. It needs to be pulled down.
Yes.
I think I need to turn around.
I think so too. That's crazy. Crazy. What's crazy is that it's 71 degrees out. We're supposed to get 6 inches of snow tonight.
Let's see if I can stay out of this.
Yeah, don't you end up in it.
You have to let me know up there. I can't see that ditch.
Get up here. You got about 6 feet. My goodness. Bumper. Well, you didn't deploy your airbags.
No.
So that's good.
No, well, I didn't. I meant to make a YouTube. I didn't know. I didn't know.
I know. These ditches here, they come out of nowhere.
At least I didn't damage the car. I'll fire a new one.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a thing. Don't worry about it. I'll pay for it. I got it.
It's okay.
Mine not up.
That was kind of scary though, wasn't it?
Yeah, she started getting nervous. I said, we're fine. We're
Yeah.
fine. Let's just get out of the car. Pull a tow truck.
Yeah. Oh, goodness. Yeah,
It's so funny too, because the last time we were in the mountains, it was snowing. And I slid down the mountain, and I had to call a tow truck. And the guy says, well, for 75, he goes, I can tow you to the top of the road. He goes, you're going to slide back down.
Yeah.
He goes, for 150, I'll pull you out and put chains on. I go, do the $150 thing.
Oh my gosh. Well, we're supposed to get some more snow tonight, so hopefully you can get to where you need to be and just hang out.
Here.
Oh, okay.
We were getting ready to go food shopping. I had one beer. Should I put it in neutral or something?
Oh, no, not right now. Maybe just look.
pretty good damage here on the front bumper, but his radiator isn't leaking or anything, so that's good. You can see where the tire came down this way. It was wedged in here. That came right out. So that's good.
Got that guy winched out back there. Turned that corner a little too sharp. May have had more than one beer. I'm not really sure. But he said that's all he had was one beer. I think Ohio is still illegally parked.
We were on our way over here to get this illegally parked car here, and when that call came in, which fortunately was just, what, 2 minutes down the road?
Yeah.
So that is why.
They were very lucky. Yes. They got their car winched out in 10 minutes for start to finish, pretty much.
Yeah.
But Ohio is not supposed to be here, so we're gonna.
And once again, it's crazy because Gatlinburg is not super busy today. So why are they parking over here?
Such a tight parking.
Yes, it is. Do a walk around if you'd like.
Sure.
Some scuffs on the bumper.
Anybody in there?
I don't see anybody.
Looming in the trunk?
Well, if they're in the trunk, I can't see them.
Survey says. All-wheel drive.
Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be?
It smells like a carnival over here. I'm starved to death.
Funnel cakes or something.
Oh, what I would do for a funnel cake right now.
Well, you could like not tow this and then
Eat a funnel cake?
eat a funnel cake instead.
I could, but I'm not going to. I'm going to tow this and then go eat a funnel cake.
That sounds like a better thing. Here's this one. Makes me nervous if I shove it over there when there's another car. I'll go on the front side. This isn't you, is it?
No.
All right. You're the ones that called us, right? Yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah.
The way y'all looking.
We're off. Kind of between.
Okay. It's always.
I know. We try to get over here when we can, but sometimes it's can't fight the traffic. So but let us know if you need us again. Thank you. I'll watch you. I'm glad there's not a car right here. Makes it a little bit easier. Oh, it says fleet vehicle on here. Somebody's gonna be mad. Oh my gosh, I smell sausage and peppers. It smells so good. Hey, that tag said fleet on it.
On this car?
Uh-huh. Someone's gonna be in trouble. Okay, we'll head out. I'll call the police.
Okay, guys. Here at the lot, thought I'd go over a few things before we get crazy with tomorrow. They're telling me that it is going to be 10 degrees and we're going to get possibly 8 inches of snow tomorrow. So this is March the 11th, Friday, and we're about 5:30 in the evening. We're just going to try to see what happens with this storm. Got a belly full of Arby's, and we've got a weather statement out. I don't know if I can get that. Got Dollywood train in the background going crazy.
I think Dolly was there today.
Yeah, Dolly is at the park today, so that's exciting news too. But this is that winter statement that has been going out to everybody's cell phone that is in the area. If you guys are in the area and got one of those, do not ignore it, because you just never know what could happen here in the mountains. So we're going to try to prepare. We're going to go and make sure we've got propane and fuel and everything we need to hunker down. It's supposed to be a really wet, heavy snow, possibly taking out power again. But if we get 8 inches, I mean, it's town's packed. You know, everybody's here for the weekend too. So stay tuned. This could very well get interesting, don't you think, Addy? Everything auto.
Hey, how you doing, man?
Do good. How are you?
Yeah, we had a vehicle towed from y'all to that location, and we're trying to get information on it and get it back, price, what we need to do or whatever.
What kind of vehicle you got?
It was a Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross.
Oh, yes, sir. It was parked over there in the private lot. Yes, sir.
Yes, it was.
Yeah, as long as you're the registered owner, ID matches the registration of that vehicle, we can release it to you. The cost.
Okay, gotta be cash. It's a rental. We only have the information from the rental company.
That's fine, as long as as long as your name is on the agreement, the rental agreement.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right, so yeah.
Okay, he knew what he did. He'll be a nice guy, I think. Stay tuned.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, man. As long as your ID matches the registration, and I got a receipt here for you. Yeah, sorry guys. You guys.
Hey, listen, it's fine.
They
Yeah.
It's a bad parking lot over there, I know.
Yeah.
And it's and Gatlinburg is crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, we from out of town, so we just here visiting.
Yeah. No, if you guys any of those paid parking lots, you guys would be pretty good shape.
Yeah.
Is the
Yeah, you're good here. Here's that receipt. And you guys got keys and all of that good stuff, I hope. We have had people come to pick up their cars and they forgot their keys.
Got the keys.
And then they have to go back. That's no fun.
Had to go all
Come
the way
here.
back.
Yeah.
Appreciate that.
Thank you, man. You guys be careful and try to have fun.
All right, we will.
Okay, guys. Weather update. So the winter storm is still on. They're saying it's still on. It is now midnight. It has finally started to come down in the form of rain. Of course, it's going to rain. Anytime we get tire change calls, it's going to rain for sure. Hey, that was a cool story too. The gal called in and it was a tow, and we got there. She'd had some work done from a shop that didn't do her very well. She had a small little bend in her wheel, and they just caked it full of this. It's called bead seal. So they caked it full of bead seal, and they put 45 to 50 psi in it, and I guess she'd had her tires rotated and they let some air pressure out back down to like 32, which that caused that little bend to then leak because it didn't have enough volume of air pressure in it. So she got where she was needing to go to work. She came out, her tire was flat, was able to get in there and kind of knock that little bend back down to where it was pretty smooth, and got her aired back up. So she was super stoked to get to her other job. But that's what we was out doing, changing tires. It's yeah, I don't know what this winter weather's. We're still getting statements and things like that for the advisories. So we're still watching it. Don't know what it's going to do, but it is sure pouring down rain, and it's still warm. I've got this big stupid jacket on and I'm sweating, but I think it's still pretty warm. I don't know if I can get
like 52.
Yeah, it's not too bad. It's dropping a little bit, but stay tuned, guys. But yeah, we're in the old rollback here this evening. Just going to tow that thing, and that was way easier to tow that with the rollback instead of trying to get dollies on that flat tire in the pouring down rain. That wasn't on my list of to-dos for this evening, but yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully the biggest part of this snowstorm will be a bluff, a fake, I hope.
We're up at the very top of the mountain where it looks pretty.
Yeah. Mount LeConte can get 8 inches if they want up there at the top, 6,000 feet. Maybe down here we'll just get it dusty. That would be great. So stay tuned. We'll keep you guys posted on what happens, and if it turns bad, stay tuned for some winch outs. Okay, guys, there you have it. It's the next morning, and it looks like not as bad as they said, but hey, snow in the mountains is always bad, so we have awoken to that and that. But our phone's going crazy, so I'm not sure how many of these people we can help out or get to, but I'd say it would melt off pretty quick if we get some warmer weather here coming soon. But it's pretty darn cold out right now, and I don't know, Gatlinburg may have gotten quite a bit more. You just never know with this snowstorm between us and them. You know, they're 30 minutes from us. Sometimes they'll get quite a bit more, so we will see. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, as promised, there's somebody off the roadway during the snow event. Sounded kind of bad. The sister calling in for a brother.
Turn right onto Dolly's Drive.
Said it was over 40 feet off the mountain, so I'm not sure what we're going to be seeing here, or if we can even get it recovered. But I told her we'd at least come take a look. We're over here on Dolly's Drive. This gets
slight left to stay on
very
Dolly's
steep,
Drive.
very quick up here. If you guys have ever been in the area and headed to Gatlinburg the back way, Birds Creek, and you've noticed the castle on top of the mountain, this is how you get to that castle, is Dolly's Drive, and it's actually an apartment. Several apartments in this thing that looks like a castle. It's pretty cool.
We're not going all the way up to the castle, though, are we?
No, it looks like we're just right around the corner here.
Okay. So is her brother okay?
I didn't get really any of that information either.
The power line's down.
Slight left to stay on Dolly's Drive.
Somebody doesn't have power up here.
Are you supposed to go this way?
Yep, this is the way to the top. Super steep.
Yes. Very cool, too.
I guess look for a Mustang over there on your
I'm
side.
looking. I don't see anything. Give a ride, it says. Did it give an address?
She gave me that address.
I hate that, how it doesn't show the address on this thing. It just says Dolly's Drive. You didn't get an address?
I typed in an address. I don't know why it's not showing an address.
It's pretty over here. Hello?
Hey, this is Jeff, Everything Auto. What did you say that address was on Dolly's Drive again?
It was,
Okay.
yeah.
should be pretty close to you here with the truck. Are you guys with or near the vehicle?
I'm telling him to come down there right now because he lives literally right beside it.
Okay. Okay. All right. We'll see you in just a sec.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
How much snow do you think we ended up with?
I say 3 or 4 inches in spots.
It melted off, started melting off very quickly this morning.
I don't know how they get around me, but I definitely won't come close to that edge. I'll tell you that
I
much.
seem pretty confident, so.
Yes.
Yeah, that's us.
Yeah, she's right
Back there. Okay. All right. We'll back up there. Thank you. She's right back there. How did we miss it? Must be way down there.
Way over. I don't see anything. What the heck is going on? Oh, dang, I see it. Why is she honking?
The truck behind me's honking.
Oh.
What's that? Gotcha. I'm called to recover this car that's right down here in this ravine, so I'm going to be a while. I mean, you can either back up and I can back up following you, or you can come around me. Those are my 2 options. I don't. I'm headed back this direction. I don't know if I can even find a spot to even turn around. I've got people coming at me.
Hold on, this guy in this truck's gonna come past.
Everybody and their brother wants to come right now.
Right now.
I'm sorry about this, y'all.
Oh no, it's all right. Are you okay?
Yeah, I missed every tree and nothing.
That's amazing.
When I got out of the car down there, nothing was hurt. Nothing was. Everything was fine on it.
That's crazy. Here, watch yourself. This truck's coming through here. Oops. Oh no.
Today's just been one of those days.
I bet. So when did this happen? Last night or today or
Today, just a little bit ago.
Oh my
I was going
goodness.
around the curve and I hit the pothole at the end of it, and it bounced my car up, and my wheel was stuck to the left, so it kind of just slid me and pushed me
Oh
all
my
the way over.
goodness. Oh, I can't watch this truck over here.
Yeah. This road's terrible.
Yes, it is.
But at first I was going like straight down it, and
my
then it
gosh.
kind of turned sideways for me.
That's crazy.
Then stopped right before that big major one right there too. Sure, if that big one can get through, he can.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Well, I'm glad you're okay, because that's pretty scary.
It's the first time I've ever wrecked a car before,
Yeah.
so this being the first thing was not too good.
Yeah, you went all out for your first time, right?
Might as well go big or go home.
Yeah. Yeah. Did it deploy the airbags?
No.
Okay. I see it's up against that small tree there, but
Yeah, that was about the only one that actually touched the car physically at all.
it didn't break any glass or anything?
Nope.
I'll set up some cones so we have less angry people to contend with.
Like right over here where you see it go down, you can see how those 2 trees
Yes.
are right in the way, and somehow it goes right around both of them.
That's crazy. So what, did you get that?
I think so, because it kind of just bumped me up and my steering wheel was stuck to the left.
Oh, okay.
You were in that thing, huh?
Yeah. First time wrecking, go big or go home, right?
That's a horrible.
I was just surprised when I got down to the bottom and the airbags didn't come out or nothing like that.
That's crazy.
When I first started going down, it was like right here, so I should have hit those two big ones. I don't know how it.
Yeah, how in the world did you miss those trees?
No clue.
It's like
He perfectly sat it right between all of them right there.
that's insane. If I'd get it, I'd like to bring it over here. That looks like the
A
better.
little bit less steep than right here.
Yeah. Gives me a little more room to work with. I think I can kind of set up off it, but I don't know what's going to be in my way as far as. I don't know. Maybe it's about the same. Yeah, I mean, that's about the same, isn't it?
Yeah.
Probably just have to hook and.
Pull it the way it went in, I guess.
I wouldn't want to take it sideways. It needs to just come out just full
Like-
from one end to the other. Probably that back end. Get close enough that way direction to get the back end spun around and then just pull it.
Okay.
That's intense, man.
Yes, it is.
I don't know how you didn't. That's gonna be a tough one, man. Get it spun around and get it back up close.
Okay, let's just do that. How much you like that?
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna turn around up here because I think I need to be facing the other way.
Okay.
This isn't the worst one y'all have seen, right?
Well, I mean, we've seen like worse things, but this is probably, I mean, I don't know. It's down there pretty far, but I mean, it seems to be like a fairly straight shot to get it out. So, I mean, I don't know. We had a Harley 250 feet off the road in the Smokies. So that was pretty intense, but you know, just a Harley, so. Nope.
No, you can fine. Whichever way he thinks he does the best.
I think he's gonna pull it the same way it went in. You've already cleared a path.
That was a bunch of moving though too.
Yeah, yeah.
I did get the clearest part of the mountain though.
Yeah. Yeah, that was good. Gonna have a lot of angry people.
Oh, there's gonna be a ton of it.
I'm gonna set up some cones. All right, so care to run through the plan for me real quick?
Like I said, I'm gonna see if I can just hook the back axle, and obviously it's gonna spin it. Once I get it spinning to where the back end's totally facing us, it's just gonna be an uphill battle.
Okay.
Once we get it close, hopefully, I might try to come to that tree over there with a snatch block to spin the front end around.
Okay.
Once we get it decently up here,
Okay.
that tree over there should work for my spin.
Okay.
Because I don't think pulling forward, I don't know if it'll track to come out.
Okay. Are you doing one winch or two?
I'm probably going to do two for go to
The tree.
after.
Okay. Yeah, what gear are you going to take down with you?
I want to try to take that chain down with me.
Do you want me to empty a bag so you can take all that stuff in a bag with you?
No, I'm just going to try to see if I can take this chain for now and just hook the rear end. If I need something else, I can just it's pretty easy to get down, hard to get up.
You want to go ahead and take those? He
Are
has.
the keys in it?
I'll go grab them. Are you going to hook it twice?
Yeah, I'll hook both on this rear.
Okay.
I'm going to go down quick.
He did. Put the winch in gear so you can pull it.
Yeah.
Okay. see, he went over here. You don't think it's going to push harder against that tree?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I can't see it all.
Oh, do you want to stand over here and me winch?
Yeah,
Okay.
I can't see it all.
Okay.
Yeah, it's that one.
Ready?
Yeah.
Is it going against that?
No, it's perfect. It's going good.
Going against that tree with the front bumper?
Yeah, no, it's good. You're still good.
You want me to go faster?
No, just keep about that speed. You're going good.
Keep going?
Yeah, it's still going good.
Can you speed up? Slow down?
About the same. As long as you can read the truck. I can see the truck kind of.
Pulling hard, yeah.
No, it's fine though.
Hold on, it's tight. It's really tight right there.
Okay, keep going a little bit. It's going to start spinning it around pretty quick.
Pulling the truck a little bit. Okay.
Okay, hold it right there. I'm gonna have to pull forward a little bit to keep it off that tree on the other side if you want to watch it with the camera. Still going pretty good?
That tree looks awfully close to his. You might have to go down there with the sawzall and take some of those branches off that tree.
Yeah, I was hoping it'd start coming this way. I need to go into neutral too.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll see if we can. I'll see if I can take that tree out.
Okay. That might be good. Yeah. I guess I have a radio, I don't have to shout. You want a rope? Probably another 20-30 minutes.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Looks like it's digging in pretty good right there.
Yeah, that's what I don't like.
I don't know. Do we need to run a second one or?
I really kind of needed to back up. But we'll see how much it digs in.
You want to swap?
No, I'll let you watch.
It wants to go right toward that tree. Okay, it's lifting the back end up.
Yeah, it probably will. Hopefully it'll start coming this way.
Well, I'm afraid it's gonna like skip over and bump into that tree. It looks like the front bumper came loose off of something.
Yeah, the bumper was already hanging.
Okay, but it looks like the mirror's like gonna hit that tree.
You'll be close.
Okay. You've cleared it.
So far so good?
Yeah. Are you just gonna continue pulling it up to there? Wheels are turned
In a bad way or a good way?
toward me. Well,
I can straighten it.
okay. was down there. Went in there, pulled him out here. Bumpers broken here. And here. That doesn't look good. Hey, good job.
Yeah, I was pleasantly surprised. That worked out very well.
Yes, it did.
I thought I was going to have to snatch block that tree over there, but I had enough room to work.
Yeah. That's what this side of it looks like. This had even drifted before, so I don't know if this is new or not. Rusted or anything. Maybe. Lots of snow up underneath there. Lots of people waiting for us. Got the roadblock to get here.
I get that. I'll leave it. What's that?
I don't know where the saws on those.
Oh.
I already took the battery out. I just don't know if I figure you probably just want to get this lane clear. Okay. I'm going to let this traffic go through, so watch yourself, okay? I'm going to let you go first because I think there's more room to pass up there. Okay. But I've got a cone up there, so give me just a second. Thank you. No problem. Thank you. Thank you. That was way down there. So he said he was coming around this corner here and hit that puddle, that hole right there. Hey, watch yourselves, there's a car. Okay, so he was coming this way and he hit that puddle and it bounced him up. Send him over this way. There's tire tracks here and here. And he was so fortunate that he didn't hit any of those trees, that the car didn't flip, airbags didn't deploy. He's not injured. He didn't have any broken glass. He has a broken bumper, front bumper, and that's it. Very fortunate. And then this is the direction that Jeff pulled him out. As you can see, it's equally steep. It's all horribly steep. Snowy. Jeff couldn't see what he was doing for the most part. So we took turns watching and winching. But yeah, he's out of there. And went surprisingly well. So Jeff did a good job.
Yeah, I would imagine you were probably screaming louder than he was.
Yeah, I guess you got most of the backstory from him. That was his sister. She said she was behind him.
Okay.
When he come around that corner and slid into that. She said, I just seen him go down and over. So I started screaming. She said, I was out of the car watching before he come to a stop.
Oh my gosh.
I mean,
that had to have been terrifying for her, for all of them.
I told him, I said, that's probably 60, 70 foot. I mean, that was a good ways down there.
Yeah.
But this road is crazy. There's not enough room to pass. And then you put snow into the equation. And it's definitely not a good thing.
So what do you think made him lose control around that corner? You think he goosed it? He said he hit that pothole, but I bet you think he goosed it. I don't know.
Yeah, because he said he went nose down.
Yeah.
That's what the sister was saying. She said he went straight down into it. So, you know, it's kind of hard to say because that's kind of uphill. I'd say when he come around that corner, it was slick and he was still giving it gas. And since it's uphill, I'd say the back end kicked out on him.
Okay.
And he probably didn't necessarily mean to, but it's hard to see on camera, but that was uphill. Obviously, when I got it up there, I was able to keep winching all the way to the truck, so the car wasn't rolling towards my truck.
Yeah.
So I'd say that's what happened, and he just got very lucky. That tree kind of popped his bumper cover loose. We were able to saw that other one out of the way, and so it didn't catch his mirror. It was a close thing, though.
Oh, it was so close on that mirror. I don't know how. I thought for sure it was going to rip his mirror off.
And I just barely had enough room for me and him to be sitting in the road on the end result, so it worked out very well.
Yes, it did. I was pleased. It's nice when things go as planned.
YouTube, that was definitely a snowy recovery as promised. My phone has went crazy, and there's been quite a few of them that have been out of kind of our area. But tonight, I mean, it's still cold. We still got a lot of folks that haven't tried to venture out just yet. Maybe this will all be gone before Sunday morning's checkout. I wouldn't guarantee it because it's supposed to get down to like 10 tonight, I think. So if it's melting, it's going to refreeze. These trees are drooping. But anyway, guys, if you like what we're doing, smash that subscribe button for more of those videos coming your way, and leave us some comments. Anything that you might have noticed in that video, or anything you might have done differently. Comment down below. We love to hear from you guys. And we'll catch you guys here on the next one.